All right, in this demo, I have come to my Etsy website, etsy.com. And what I love about Etsy is down here in the corner, you can just sign in with Google. So I'm going to continue right there, sign in. And there we go. So let's go in right up here. You. That's my profile. So let's go to my shop manager. There we go. And I'm going to go to listings. Okay, so I only have a few items up here. I'm not really big on Etsy, but I can see that all my stickers are $3.50 free shipping and all that. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to keep that in mind. And on listings, I'm going to say add a listing. All right, I only do one photo for my listings anyway. So I'm going to click there and come out to all monster files where I keep everything. Here's my online sticker listings, and I have a little subfolder listed on Etsy. I want to upload this sticker design right here. All right, I always get this little warning. Listings look best with photos at least 2,000 pixels. Well, it is 2,000, so I'll ignore that. I mean, that's what it looks like right there, and I think that looks fine. I don't have any videos. That's a brand new feature, so we'll skip that. And I'm going to see, let's say for the title, Vintage Halloween Mask 3-inch vinyl sticker design. Who made it? I did. What is it? It's a finished product. When did I make it? 2020. Category. I usually put mine all under laptop decals. It comes under electronics, decals, and skins. That's fine with me. Choose the main color in my image. I'll go with yellow. And the secondary color is probably black. There is no pattern for this, so we'll leave that off. Theme will be horror and gothic. No, there's no glitter. Holiday, I'll put it for Halloween. Why not? The occasion, it doesn't really apply to any of those, so we'll leave that blank. And description. This item is a 3-inch die cut vinyl sticker that is waterproof and ready to go on your laptop, water bottle, car, or just about anywhere else. Where else you want to put it. Be sure to check out my other vinyl sticker listings for more great horror merch. And as with all my vinyl sticker designs, shipping is free. Chris Nielsen. All right. Let's see. You don't have a product partner section. I want that listed under die cut vinyl stickers that I've set up. Tags. Let's type in Halloween. Add a tag. Vinyl sticker. Horror. Classic monsters. Let's type in portrait. Illustration. Adobe Illustrator. Chris Nielsen. Let's see. Halloween mask. Universal monster. Why not? laptop decal. And let's just call this decals. All right, we got one more. Might as well throw in one more. Vintage Halloween. Excellent. Materials. Vinyl. Good enough for me. All right. Inventory and pricing. This will be $3.50. How many do I have? Let's say 10. I think I do have more than that, but we'll go with a smaller number, see how they do. Don't have any variations. I'm not going to personalize anything. All right, shipping. I've set up these presets from before. So if I click vinyl stickers here, let's see what it comes up as. It's still asking me for all the items. So item weight, let's say 0.2 ounces. It's just a sticker. And I'm going to type in the size of the envelope. So the length is 5 3/4. The width is 4 3/8. These are all values that I've put in from previous auctions or items. And there you go. Okay, if a buyer lives in Chicago, the shipping price is free. Total is $3.50. So I don't really need any of this stuff because I tell them shipping is free. And that's all included. So that would be good. You could ship this to Chicago with an Etsy shipping label, but they'll add a little more to the price. And I don't want to do that to my buyers. So I'm going to go with this. I can preview my auction item here. Vintage Halloween mask, 3-inch vinyl sticker design. It's $3.50. This is all good. There's my description. I'm going to publish. And it says a non-refundable fee of 20 cents. Okay, go ahead and publish that anyway. There we go. So now I'm good. If I go down here, I can click on Etsy, Pen Tool Arts, go to my shop page. There we go. And right down there, free shipping in green. So people know it's free. All my items are free shipping. And there we are. I'll go back to you, sign out, and that's how you do it in Etsy. Good luck.